channel, Astrid Mulles, and I'm Astrid. So today, we will unbox and review this Lego Disney Frozen 2. So guys, this is my first set of the Lego Disney. I haven't seen it, and this is about the Toy Kingdom. Yeah. So guys, as you can see the box, the number of the Lego Disney Frozen 2 is 41165. So guys, the name of the characters in this set is the little bunny or rabbit, Anna and Olaf. Have you seen guys the movie of the Frozen 2? I already seen it. And I know what is this. This is the Earth Stone. The Earth Stone. In this picture guys, here as you can see, this is Anna. This is Anna. And she has a pretty cool boat. This is a crystal boat. What Elsa made. This is Anna and this is Elsa. This is Anna riding the boat. And this is the rabbit or bunny. This is Olaf. This is this one. This is the Earth Stone. Ooh, I didn't know they have a slide. And this one. And guys, we will build this set as the picture. But we don't have the background, but it's okay. Are you ready to unbox it? Yeah! Now let's open! This is the bag number 1. I think this is on the screen. Bag number 2, instructions, and two of these. Oh, I think this is the ones. Okay, now let's put the box over here first. I'm gonna show you guys. I think this have a map. I think. Let's open. Oh, I said it! It has a map. This is what I get first. This one. Oh, this is the collect. You can collect some of these. No. Okay, I can. There we go. There. So guys, these are 2 baseboards. This is the instructions. The manual book. This is bag number 1 and this is bag number 2. Of course, you always start with bag number 1. Let's move these first over here. Move bag number 2 here. Now let's open bag number 1. It really has a lot of numbers of bag number 1. Let's open. So small. There we go. Oh, the pieces. Let's put the plastic bag up here. Now let's open bag number 2. This bag has Anna on it, and this has Olaf and the little bunny. Let's open a little bit bigger first. Let's put this one over here. They have a bag too. Oh, this is the slide. So guys, I'll prepare first. Let's put these 2 little bags over here. Put on a skate. Now let's separate. With gray, I'm gonna do shades of gray. Are you ready to build? Let's go! figurines. This is the slide and this is water, just water. This is Olaf standing there, carrot, another carrot because that's an extra piece, a diamond, and an orange lace. This looks like green or a yellow leaf with this one, a stick. Yeah, a stick. And this one has the same to this, and this is an extra piece. And this is Anna. She's hiding. You can put your characters just anywhere. Where do you like? Do you like Olaf in the water or in the slide? I'm gonna show you how to slide Olaf. 3. Wait, he's gonna go there. There. And up he goes. And 3, 2, 1. Whee! Oh. And do you want Anna to see it? Or the body? Or the rabbit? Okay. Now, first let's put Anna and remove her cape because she does not want to get it wet. There. Now, let's put her cape over here. There. There. Yeah. Now let's put her cape. Wait, let's do it over here. There. Now it's drying because it's a little bit wet. She's sweating earlier. Now let's go. 3, 2. Oh, first let's remove all of it before. Oh, he's gonna slide again. Okay, he's waiting. 3, 2, 1. Whee! Now she's gonna slide again too. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's try the rabbit. Hang on a sec, Anna. First, let's do the rabbit. Oh, look. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was fast. That was fast. Put her back in the boat. Now let's do the high. Now let's put Olaf back in his. I think it's over here. No, his height too. See? Yeah! And the rabbit. There. By the way, guys, this is the seesaw. Let's try about them to play in. First, let's do Anna and Olaf. Now let's put them in here. Okay, I just removed Olaf. There is 3, 2, 1. Seesaw, seesaw, seesaw. Okay. Seesaw, 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 seesaw. So cute. Ten. Oh, the boat. I think the driver is the rabbit. So guys, this is the last build of the Lego Disney Frozen 2 set. Guys, here's my friends. This is Anna, this is Elsa. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get you with updates. My channel. Thanks for watching. Bye! Bye! Yeah.